Oh, Joe, this has been so much fun. Thanks for inviting me to New York, all the way from Chicago. But I gotta go. I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I've gotta go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
The evening has
Been
been
hoping that you drop
so
in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like
My
ice.
husband will start to worry.
Beautiful, what's your hurry?
My kids will be pacing the floor.
Listen to the fireplace roar.
No, I better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't
Maybe
hurry.
just a little cocoa more.
Put some records on while I pour.
Oh, what are the neighbors gonna think?
Baby, it's bad out there.
Say, what's in this drink?
No cabs to be had out there.
I wish I knew how
Your eyes are like starlight now.
to break your spell.
I'll take your hat. Your hair looks swell.
I ought to say no, no, no.
Mind if I move in
At least I'm
closer?
gonna say that I
What's
tried.
the sense in hurting my pride?
I really can't stay.
Baby, don't hold out. Baby, it's cold outside.
Well, Joe, what's this? My flight's delayed? Wait a minute. Now, I can't make up any more excuses. I simply must go.
Baby, it's cold outside.
The answer is no.
But baby, it's cold outside.
Your welcome has been
Lucky that you dropped in.
so nice and
Look
warm.
out the window at that storm.
My kids will be suspicious.
Gosh, your lips look delicious.
My husband will be there at the door.
Waves upon a tropical shore.
My neighbors are so
Gosh, your
vicious.
lips are delicious.
Maybe just a little cocoa more.
Never such a blizzard before.
I gotta get home,
Baby, you'll freeze out there.
so lend me a coat.
It's up to your knees out there.
You've really been grand,
Thrill when I touch your
but
hand.
don't you see?
How can you do this thing to me?
There's gotta be talk in my church.
Think of my lifelong
At
sorrow.
least there'll be plenty
If
of
you got
pride.
pneumonia and die,
I really can't
get
stay.
over that holdout. Baby, it's cold. Baby, it's cold outside.
Thanks, Joe. This cocoa.
Just one drink.
Are you sure it's not Jameson?
That took a lot of convincing.